In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly diagnose and fix the common issue where your Shopify store can't accept payments. This can be a real headache when you're trying to run a business, but don't worry, we've got some straightforward steps to help you sort it out. So, let's dive in and get your store back on track. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the Settings section and then click on Payments. This is where you'll find all the payment settings for your store. The first thing you want to check here is whether Shopify Payments or your preferred gateway has been set up correctly. If you see a prompt that says Complete Account Setup, make sure you click on it and fill in any required information. This will ensure that your account is ready to process payments. Next, it's essential to confirm that your store is not in test mode. If you're using Shopify Payments or a third-party payment gateway and it's still in test mode, you won't be able to accept real payments. So, take a moment to disable test mode and ensure everything is set for live transactions. Also, take a quick look at your store's plan status. It's important to ensure your store is on a paid plan and not simply on a free trial or in development mode. Many trial plans restrict real payment processing, so this could be a potential roadblock for you. Another critical aspect is verifying your identity with Shopify. If they've requested any documents, such as a form of ID or business registration, make sure you send them in promptly. Once your identity has been verified, your ability to accept payments should be restored. While you're at it, check for any policy or product restrictions. Ensure you're not selling items that are prohibited under Shopify's payments policy. If you are, you'll need to consider using a different payment gateway or removing those restricted items to comply with the regulations. If you're using a third-party payment gateway like Stripe or Razorpay, double-check your gateway credentials. Confirm that the API keys or account details are entered correctly and that your account with the gateway is in good standing. This ensures seamless payment processing for your store. Now, scan your Shopify admin dashboard for any banners or notices. Occasionally, Shopify might display a banner indicating your account is on hold or that action is required. Make sure you click through any notifications like this and follow the prompts provided to resolve the issue. Finally, if you've followed all these steps and your store still can't accept payments, it's time to reach out to Shopify support. They have the tools to look deeper into your account and check if there's been any flagging or issues on their end that might need addressing. By following these steps, you should be well equipped to troubleshoot and resolve any payment issues on your Shopify store. Good luck and happy selling!